here at Mercedes-Benz of Princeton, and we're going over Feature Friday, which is car wash mode on the brand new 2020 GLS. So what you would do is you'd hit the icon for car wash mode, and it's going to do this checklist and make sure that all these features are engaged or disengaged for that matter. So it's going to raise up the car so it gets the underbody, it's going to fold in the mirrors, it's going to turn off the parking sensors, it's going to turn off your front and rear wipers, and give you a warning to make sure that the sunroof and the windows are closed. So let's take care of that. Let's take care of the sunroof. We're going to get an acknowledgement that that's been taken care of. The vehicle's almost done raising fully up, and we're going to go ahead and go to the car wash. Now, another great question that's always asked is when I'm going through an automated car wash, how do I get the car into neutral? It's very, very simple. With the new Mercedes-Benz gear selector, what you're going to do, the car's in drive now, it's showing D1. You're just going to do a soft click up or a soft click down, and that will enable neutral. So what I'm going to do right now is we're going to put it into neutral. It's just one soft click, and we're on our way. And that's today's feature of the day, car wash mode on the all-new 2020 GLS.